Sorry to mention, I also forgot to show you how to reassemble these things. Let's get started on this. First so we've had it from this stage from where you got it worked. I've turned it off. We just line it up, push it down, and then we screw it in to get it to work. Oh, bugger. Like that. And put this one in. So I'll push it in. As you can see, I should be having my special iPhone repair tweezers, as this would have made the job so much nicer. Right, now turn it on the back here. And we'll just say fake time. There we have it. This is the vtech DX2 watch. So I'll see you next time. That's Cool Tech Gaming and Dreiews.